what's going on. Alright, so we've made it to Westfield. But I'm gonna go and see if I can get something for my sister really quick. This one? Wow. Imagine someone calling you a jerk. Hi my loves, we're going, where are we going? We are going to go and meet someone. But I just thought we would listen to some R&B because we haven't done that in a while. I think we're going the right way. Here we are. Living like a celebrity. What's this? So, I can't exactly tell. I feel like I'm just gonna hope that there was no speed camera over there because anyways. But we are currently on our way to go and meet someone at a workplace. Hotel type thing. We're gonna just do some work. Help them out with some stuff. I probably won't vlog when I'm there. Just thought I'd let you know. That's where I'm going. So I apologize. Oh, okay. Are you ready? Because this song, wow. Oh, this is such a beautiful song. That's the least I can do. Let me give it to you. Oh, so where am I supposed to park my car?
Ready to tell you how you feel in a few vows, maybe.
Where am I gonna park my car? Okay. Fuck! So we got lost. Well, not lost, we just can't find parking. So they're gonna come and collect us and then park the car. This is the level of ease that I want across the board. Where are you? You're lost? Alright, I'm coming to get you. But let's not have this on so that so it is 9:58. We are now on our way home. I'm trying to think. I can't turn right, so I don't know where it's telling me to go. I'm not actually there. I'm on the main road. So okay, no, we're going the right way. It's fine. This one's probably wondering why I haven't left yet, and he probably thinks that like I'm struggling to get out of my parking spot. But the problem isn't necessarily trying to get out. I haven't even been trying to get out. Alright, so we're going home. I'm gonna try and put my glasses on because I feel like it's been a long day. It's been a long day. You can own it. Now that love's taking over.
Renee, thank you. Thank you.
Oh, I dyed my hair.
You can do whatever you want. This is so scary. I hate parking in places like this. Why do I not like park? I hate parking my car. If I can give my car to someone to park and it not be weird, I promise you that is always what I'm gonna do. Alright, so we've made it to Westfield. I'm gonna go and see if I can get something for my sister really quickly. Gonna try and see if I can find an outfit. So we're gonna go to Typo, H&M. Okay, so today we are going to the Director Culture Conference. Can I call it a conference? Yeah, technically it's a conference. It's an all-day event I think it starts at 12:30 and it finishes at 11:30. Yeah, we made ourselves coffee and for breakfast we had scrambled eggs, chips and beans. I made chips because I didn't have bread and I wanted some form of carbs to last me until I don't even know, because technically I'm gonna have to eat again. Because I think our next break is at around like 5. So like once it starts, I think the next break is maybe at like 4. I'm not too sure, but we're basically just getting ready. I'm gonna play some music, vibe, talk maybe. But actually, I don't know, I think I'm probably gonna talk to these man and you guys will just catch me because I'm filming a TikTok. I'm trying to do everything. I'm just trying to be a babe that lives on the internet in the way that I said that I wanted to, because I just know that I haven't been doing it and I only have myself to blame. Do you know what I mean? I remember ages ago I saw a tweet where it said men today are lucky that we just wear bonnets to sleep. Back in the day we used to put tats on our head. And this is me with tats on my head. But hey, you know what, I think men have seen worse from me, so I go to sleep with a yellow sarong on my head. Surely black tats would be better. Surely black tats would be better. But ain't nobody complaining. Imagine someone calling you a jerk. But you know what the truth is? that's just not nice. Don't call me a joke. I'm capable of doing hard things, because I really had a moment where I was just like, whoa, what's going on? Essentially just kind of like, raw. Like, I feel like I have 101 things to do, not enough time to do it, and I don't even know if I can do the things that I've set on my to-do list, and that made me feel really uncomfortable. These bros are... What's going on? Why is the internet doing that? Yeah, because I'm definitely sure that I pay for my internet, so what is going on? You can touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. That on my mama, on my hood, I look fly. About myself, because I simply wasn't in the mindset to like even be able to do those things. However, I woke up the next day and I was like, yeah, you can do this. Like, why can't we? When I saw a tweet that said that men these days are lucky that women don't be wearing tights to sleep anymore, because like, wow, she's fantastic. To change the topic really quickly, having that those tights on my head reminded me of when I saw a tweet that said that men. Alexa, start the song again, please. Everything, what I've had to learn as of recently is that sometimes you have to push yourself, and sometimes you just have to let yourself like not do things. In general, I'm just trying to be a lot kinder to myself, like, because this founder journey isn't easy, so just going to an all-day conference, so we need to get ready. Like, let's do it together. The other day, I had to remind myself that I'm capable of doing hard things, because I really had a moment where you see, the thing is, I could really just do this and then have like a little bun, but I feel like a ponytail will be like a moment, and then I can be in the dance like this. You know what I mean? It just means that we have to do this quickly. Okay. Guys, we are finished. We look so tantalizing. I'm sorry.
The market there waiting to receive your products. And through our musings and through our networks, I think we're in a really special place to help take your brands to where it needs to be. So, without wasting much time, please join me in welcoming my CEO and ours, Maz.
What we had so far was it 10 million? Light work. What that Jay-Z picture, you should put Demi up there as well.
Like, growing up having ideas and wanting to do stuff but not being able to, I don't want to limit any of like the young people around me who like are either my children or like my godchildren or my friends' children. Like, I want to be able to like empower them and, I don't know, invest in them. Even if an idea fails, like, as long as they know they have the support of their community, that's what I want. I think that's what ownership gives. And also employment. I'm a big I'm a big advocate for that. I think a lot of us who own businesses should be looking at young people to give them opportunities. Like, I'm a huge advocate for that. And like, yeah, because a lot of young people we know are being steered into directions that they don't really want to be in, you know? And I think we should really support them by giving them opportunities to even work with us. Even if it's just like shadowing us, like them seeing a whole new world will help them, because I'll never forget when I
was working as a finance manager at a charity. I was learning how to send invoices and measure cash flow and manage cash flow and that sort of thing. Then, and I was also like doing stuff that's social media related. My side hustle was about money, and I was also on social media, so they both fed into each other. And I was being hired by my job to do pension and financial education workshops. So again, it was like building one thing helped build the other thing, and it just became very natural, very organic.
Well, experience, you know, I had something like my parents wanted to get paid for my university. And so after uni, I actually went into the world using my degree. So I went into investment banking. So credit derivatives, unit trader there. So very different to what I'm doing now. But when I look back, it's really interesting because, like, although they seem like completely different routes that I've taken, doing mathematical economics, working in banking, and now being the CEO of a tech company, I'm actually really grateful for how diverse my experiences and my background have actually been, because I really feel it's made me become a very versatile leader who is both analytical and can also be artistic as well. So.
If I was of a certain race and a certain class, I would keep saying, oh, this all happened by accident. None of this is by accident. My steps towards doing influencing and then maintaining my business as it has gone now has been completely strategic. None of this can be fun and games. Because the reality is, I'm a front-facing person who a lot of people always want to poke holes in. So my shit has to be solid, more solid than someone saying, I just want to. And I also don't want to lie to my consumers or anyone hoping to do what I do. If you are a black woman, you better have a plan for a plan, because someone's going to try and sully you. And what are you going to do when you're caught off guard or if you're having a moment? How's that going to feel? So I would say I was always a dreamer. Coming up, I hate the sob story, but you know, coming up rough, living in summer late and yada yada yada. I would literally take any lunch money I had and spend it on magazines, and then like cut out everything, and you couldn't see the paint colour of my room because it was just slapping and stuff. I was like,
she's done an incredible job. She's been project managing this all the way through, and I couldn't do this without you. So thank you.